Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're doing well cause I'm doing crazy. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make another body for your RC car made with paper. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So guys, before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. How to make an RC car body shell from paper. This is my HBX Rampage and today it's getting a new body shell. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The following are the things needed to make the body. Number 1. Paper. Number 2. Glue stick. Number 3. Colors. 4. Scissors. 5. A pencil. 6. A hot glue gun. 7. A ruler. 8. A permanent marker. 9. Barbecue sticks. Start with measuring the current body shell on the RC car. Put the paper on the table. Draw a car template on the paper according to the measurements of the RC car body. Cut out the paper template and leave some space on the end of each line drawn. Color the car template. Fold the car template accordingly and stick the ends of the paper to make a car body. Lay some barbecue sticks inside the paper body shell and stick them with hot glue according to the body lines. And voila, the RC body shell is done. Now let's take it for a quick bash. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and comment to this video. And see you next week with another amazing video. Bye guys! This is what the body looks like after 30 minutes of bashing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.